Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, in our previous video, in our previous online class, we have revised question number 1, 2 and 3 of lesson number 10, landforms of Pakistan from your fair copy. Today we are going to revise question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Keep in mind that today is your written test of lesson number 10, landforms of Pakistan at 5 p.m. Okay? Let's revise the question number 4. What are the most fertile regions of Pakistan? The area of Upper Sindh and Punjab are the most fertile regions of Pakistan. Question number 5. Which are the driest regions of the country? Which are the driest regions of the country? Answer is the Thal Desert, Cholistan Desert, Nara Desert and the Tharparkar Desert are the driest regions of the country. Question number 6 is name 4 dams of Pakistan. The 4 dams of Pakistan are following: Mangla Dam, Rawal Dam, Gomal Dam and Hub Dam. Okay. Question number 7 is why dams are built. Give 2 reasons. Number 1, dams are built to store the water of rivers and sea. Number 2, dam water is also used to produce electricity. Dams are built to store the water of rivers and sea. Number 2, dam water is also used to produce electricity. डैम क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? 2 रीजंस पूछी गई हैं हमसे. डैम किस लिए बनाए जाते हैं? डैम बनाए जाते हैं टू स्टोर द वाटर, वाटर को स्टोर करने के लिए. और नंबर 2, डैम वाटर इज आल्सो यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. डैम्स में जो हम वाटर को सेव करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, उस सेव्ड वाटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस की जाती है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कीप इन माइंड दैट टुडे इज योर रिटन टेस्ट ऑफ लेसन नंबर 10. At 5 p.m. I will send you your test paper and you have to submit it in 1 hour, just 1 hour till 6 p.m. Okay? Dear students, today is your written test of lesson number 10. I will send you the test paper at 5 p.m. Okay? And you have to submit your test, solved test till 6 p.m. Okay, dear students, we will meet in our next video class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.